Let's take a look at this handmade and heartfelt kit. This is the kit that Stampin' Up! Is using for World Card Making Day, but you can get it and use it anytime. You make 10 cards, 2 each of 5 designs, and they're great for masculine and feminine needs. You can see the beautiful soft color palette that they have. They're really pretty, and they have great envelopes. Your recipients will know they're getting fun mail right away. The stamp set is awesome with thinking of you, thanks so much, happy birthday, best wishes, and sending sunshine. You get an ink spot in Secret C and some twine, and you get a really cool desk organizer that you get to put together, and you can store cards and other things in it. Give it a try, you'll love it.